So how about adding some Spanish flair to your table this year? Chef Enrique Escriva is here with the Deputy Head of Mission at the Embassy of Spain, Victoria Garcia. And things are looking muy sabroso.
Yeah,
Wagwan.
Mira, what about me, G?
Well, if you never heard what he said, me there, wagwan, me G. You're married to a Jamaican.
Yes,
and
sir.
you've been here 3 years?
2.5, almost 3 years.
So you speak Patois?
Yeah, a little bit, and understand a little bit too.
Yeah, but you're not married to a Jamaican.
I'm not married to Jamaica, not yet.
Not yet. Oh, okay, not yet. Quickly, because we don't have a lot of time. What about the food here and the food in Spain? Any similarities at all?
Well, it's totally different. We come from the Mediterranean diet, which is based on olive oil, wine, fruits and vegetables. That's a common theme,
Yeah.
probably fruits and vegetables. So it's a very healthy diet that comes from historical times, from the Romans and this is the base of our cuisine. And part of what we're going to show today here with the Spanish omelette, it's part of that culture, culture of gastronomy.
Yeah. And
So-
you were telling me that some people said the omelette should have onions, and you said no onions.
No, I say onions.
You say onions.
Yeah.
I say no
It's a big
onions.
word. It's a big
It's
word.
a big
there,
word.
yeah. Like, families argue, like, they don't
This-
talk to each other because they...
All right, you have to start because we only have
All right.
3.5 minutes. So,
So-
you're going to make what we're seeing here.
Yeah, Spanish omelette. Very basic, very easy. So we have eggs, onion, and potato, fried potato. We pre-cook it. Onions, you cook it slow until they get like very soft and cooked. Potatoes, you just fry them, and the eggs.
Okay, you have to start. You have to write on whistle, Henry.
With the eggs, you can use a whisk or you can use just a fork.
Yeah?
Because what we are
Whisk it
doing is
well?
challenging you to do this at home this Christmas, because this is going to be a very nice appetizer, very nice canapé to
While
to
you
for
do
your
that,
guests.
the different areas of Spain would have different
They would
foods.
have all kind of different foods. This would be common to all of them,
Yeah.
but if you go, for instance, to Enrique's to his home,
Valencia.
Valencia,
Yeah.
the main dish, which is a national one as well, would be paella.
Paella.
If you go to the north, Galicia, the main dish is octopus, real octopus, which is excellent. If you go to the south, you will have a lot of fish.
And you're from the south.
I'm from the south. And some cold soups called salmorejo and gazpacho. Gazpacho, that's extremely good, made of tomato soup, which is excellent. So each region has different kind of dishes.
What about Jamaican food? What's your favorite?
For me, it's seafood, crabs, lobster, and
Which
I love,
is like the area. And you love?
yes, oxtail.
Oh,
as
you
well.
love
It's so
oxtail.
good.
Which
You
is
make
not
it so good.
seafood. What?
It's not seafood, it's different, but to say two different things.
Yeah.
Seafood, land and
Yeah. What
sea.
about you, Henry? What do you like?
I like fried chicken with curry gravy.
Fried chicken with
Yeah.
curry gravy.
Yeah.
Simple.
That's the Jamaican national dish.
You can cook it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
And,
excellent cook.
red pea soup. I love red pea soup too. Yeah.
So did your wife teach you to?
Yes, and my mother-in-law. Big up to her.
All right, so you've thrown everything in.
Yeah, so we mix everything. We put it in the pan.
Even onion.
Yes, we put even onion.
This
Sorry,
is
Victoria.
national debate.
Sorry,
It's the same
Victoria.
as playing Barcelona against Real Madrid, the big rivalry. Two camps.
No onion.
No onion or onion.
But why no onion?
Well, for me, it's because I don't like onion.
I don't like
Simple.
it either. Henry, why onion?
Because the texture, is soft and nice, and it has when you slow cook the onion, it gets a little sweet, so it's nice. One quick tip, to do the tortilla, because we're gonna flip it around, the pan, like make sure it's like the one that non-stick pan.
Non-stick, yeah.
And don't use metal on them because you're gonna scratch it and it's gonna, and it's not gonna work. So always try to use your like this type or wooden or yeah. This thing we're gonna flip it. I have the pot cover, but you can use it at home with a plate. So 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Delicious.
And then put it back in the pan and let it
It's
cook
almost
for a
finished.
bit. Yeah. And this, we are challenging you to do it at home.
And take a picture, please, and tag Embassy of Spain.
Embassy of Spain.
Spain, Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Take your pictures and tag the embassy, and we will make a contest of the best looking one.
Okay. What will they win? A trip to Barcelona.
I will invite them home to try some of our tapas. You know tapas, what that is?
What is tapas?
Tapas, it's our way of life in gastronomy, our lifestyle. This is
Okay.
finger foods that we go to the bar, and instead of having this big meal, we will go for tapas, which is, this is a tapa.
Yeah. So this is that.
Yes,
Alright.
yes. And we present it like in little canapé size. Usually in Spain you will do it with some French bread, you know, like bread and...
Alright.
But here we thought to use crackers because it will be easier for people to find and do
Say
it at
hi
home.
to your wife and son and your mother-in-law and everyone.
Yeah.
Mucho gusto.
Un placer.
Chef Enric Escriva and the Deputy Head of Mission at the Embassy of Spain, Victoria Garcia. Seen?
Thank you very much.
So come.